Plan your dream gym with Foyr Neo. Did you know that 80% of people who set up a home gym end up not using it regularly? And it's not just about motivation. The real problem is poor space planning. A cramped layout, bad equipment placement, and a lack of organization can make working out feel more frustrating than energizing. So, how do you create a gym that actually works for you? The problem with guesswork in gym design. Maybe you've already bought equipment, only to realize your treadmill blocks the window, making the space feel dark and claustrophobic. Or you didn't account for movement space, and now your workout routine feels restricted. Designing a gym by trial and error wastes time, money, and space. But what if you could plan everything perfectly before you even start setting up? Smart gym planning with Foyr Neo. This is where Foyr Neo changes the game. Instead of imagining how your gym might look, you can design, adjust, and visualize everything in 3D before making a single move. Need a dedicated weightlifting zone? Drag and drop your equipment to see how different layouts feel? Want an open area for stretching and yoga? Easily adjust the space and ensure the flow works for your workouts. But that's not all. Neo's massive library of gym equipment, flooring, and decor lets you experiment with different designs instantly. From squat racks to storage solutions, you can find and place every essential piece with just a few clicks. No more guessing measurements or worrying about fit. It's all right there, ready to be customized. Experience your gym before you build it. Ever wished you could walk through your gym before committing to a layout? With Neo's 3D walkthrough feature, you can. Take a virtual tour of your space, making sure everything flows perfectly. Adjust lighting, flooring, and even wall mirrors to create a space that's both functional and motivating. Because a gym should feel inspiring, not like an afterthought. Design smarter, train better. A well-designed gym isn't just about looks. It directly impacts your workouts. Proper spacing prevents injuries, the right storage keeps things organized, and a strategic layout makes your routine smoother. And with Foyr Neo, you can plan for all of it, down to the last detail. Start designing your dream gym, free. Why guess when you can plan with precision? Try Foyr Neo free for 14 days and design a gym that fits your space, style, and fitness goals perfectly. Click the link and start designing today.